Hey guys, what's up? So OnePlus launched the Bullets Wireless Z along with the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro when a lot of people were expecting them to launch a pair of truly wireless earphones that the Bullets Wireless Z are not. Now a new leak from MaxJ shows that OnePlus might not have given up on the idea just yet. He has given us an image of the earbuds which resemble the Apple AirPods. Now I don't understand why companies keep doing this. Yes, I understand that the AirPods have an iconic design, but at least have some differences. Why would anyone want a product that they make to resemble something that their competitor makes? Now I would have totally understood if it was Xiaomi, which is known as the Apple of China, doing this, but guess what, even Xiaomi has a different design. Anyway, there is no information on the set of features that these will offer, but the price would certainly go up if they offer something like active noise cancellation. We also have the design of the case from a previous tweet of his, and it looks more rounded than I would like, but it should fit better in hands. We can also see an LED in the front which most likely will glow to indicate the battery percentage of the case and also if the case is charging or not. Now we do believe the case will have wireless charging built in, especially since the OnePlus 8 Pro supports reverse wireless charging, which would help charge it wirelessly. We may also see some kind of fast charging built into the case as well for it to juice up quickly when you need them, since OnePlus is all about speed and warp charge is something that they market heavily. We can expect them to launch alongside the OnePlus Z, which is expected to be announced in July. Do let me know in the comments what do you think about the design and will you buy one. Moving on, we have two new Redmi devices that have made their way to Geekbench. The two devices with model numbers M200-4J7AC and M200-4J7BC have the same processor with different motherboards codenamed Atom and Bomb respectively. The phones have the same MediaTek MT6875 octa-core processor with a base frequency of 2 GHz. It is anticipated that the devices are powered by the upcoming MediaTek Dimensity 820 or 800 Plus, which will be announced tomorrow. The MediaTek Dimensity chips are 5G ready, so that should make it to these phones. The phones have 8GB of RAM and are running Android 10, the latest version of the OS. We do have other specs of the phone, which includes a 6.57-inch OLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a center punch hole camera. Now since they have an OLED display, we also have an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. They are expected to have a triple camera setup to the back with up to 8GB plus 256GB storage along with a microSD card slot. The battery may be a 4420 mAh unit and a 22.5 watt quick charge support is also there. Now recently Redmi's general manager Lou Weibing has teased a new Redmi phone with a super performer tag, so it is very likely that these are the phones being referred to. He has also shared camera samples from the phone which look promising. They may be launched as the Redmi Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro in China. Finally, we have more details on the Realme gaming phone I talked about in a previous video. The phone may be launched as the Realme X50 Pro player, so it will be a part of the X50 series. It may have a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate and a double punch hole for two selfie cameras in a pill-shaped cutout. It should be powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC and have an 8 plus 128GB variant. As far as the cameras are concerned, it is a downgrade from the X50 Pro with a 16MP and a 2MP depth camera. The main back camera will have a 48MP resolution along with an 8MP ultra-wide and two 2MP sensors, most probably a macro and a depth camera. The phone is missing a telephoto camera though. A 4200 mAh battery along with 65W fast charging completes the package. It should launch on the 25th of May for around $465 with 7 other products that Realme will announce on that day. That's it for this video. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.